A lot of homeowners assume when they have an insurance claim that it's an easy given process to follow the claim through and adjust the loss. And my experience is quite oftentimes that's true, but as many as often as 30 or 40% of the time, it's very inconsistent, and the outcome can be very, very different. It's not a given. It's not black and white. And homeowners, if they are not extremely knowledgeable themselves and in a position to know what could and should happen and the process and advocate for themselves, then things can go very wrong. And oftentimes the homeowners won't even realize that it could have or should have been different. They just think what is what is, and just accept it. You need to hire someone of your own choosing, not an insurance company's preferred vendor that's loyal to the insurance company, and someone that's in a position to help look out for your interests, advocate for you if necessary, and help the process along, because the adjusting process is not black and white and is anything but consistent.